All right, so I know this video is a little bit late, but right here, we've got the M1 MacBook Air. Without further ado, let's unbox it. All right, guys, real quick, I'm doing another Q&A. So if you have a question, leave it down in the comments with a Q and I will try to add you in. Back to the video. All right, so on the front, we've got the picture of the Air and that classic tapered design. We also have the written words right here, MacBook Air. And for this variant, I actually got the 8GB model with 256 gigs of storage because I have an external storage. If I didn't, I would probably go with the 512. But anyways, let's get this thing opened. All right, and there we go. And let's just pull off this lid right here. There we go, box right there. And we have the Air right here. Wow, this thing is light. Zoomed out a little bit so you guys could get a better look at this thing, but wow, it is light and it is thin. Let's put this to the side for a second and see what else is in the box. We've got our USB-C to USB-C cable, nice and long. Pause. And of course, our designed by Apple in California package with all the documents, including, there we go, stickers, let's go. And yeah, all the documentation that I really don't think anybody reads. And under there, we've got the charger. It is actually way smaller than I expected. Let's see how much watts. 30 watts. Pretty small, which I really like. USB-C, of course. And that looks like it is it. But of course, we've got the Air itself. So let's take off this plastic right there. Look at that, wow. Wow, yep. I really like the way that this thing looks just immediately. This is my first time experiencing one of these newer models, and I've got to say that I love this design. Let's see how fast M1 opens up the computer. Yep, just like that. Wow, that is a clean inside. Wow. Damn, oh wow, it's already on. That's crazy. And right off the bat, keyboard feels great. So I'm gonna get this thing set back up.
Let's choose the main language. Press the return key.
All right, relax. I'm gonna get this thing set up and I'll check in a bit. All right, new plan. Turns out I need to actually use the migration assistant to get everything onto this computer. So you know what? We'll just call it here. This has been the unboxing of the M1 MacBook Air. Space Gray, obviously, and be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss the initial impressions, first review, and all the other content that is going to be made about this computer. If you guys have liked this video, be sure to leave a like, and thanks for watching.